The steel ball is part of the bit holder in your impact driver. The driver bit is held in place by the ball, which fits into the spindle. The ball is secured to the spindle by the retainer. After years of use, the retainer can come loose and the ball can then be lost. Sometimes the ball can wear, which will cause the driver bit to come loose easily. Replacing the steel ball is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the retaining ring from the chuck. There's a flat on one side of the anvil. I'll use a pick through that flat to remove the retaining ring. Then I can remove the washer, the compression spring, the sleeve, the retaining ball. I'll use a magnet to remove it. Now I can install the new steel ball. I'll press the anvil spring down, install the ball into the opening on the anvil, and then release the spring. Now install the sleeve. Now the spring. I'll place the washer over the spring and compress it so the washer slides around the anvil. And now I can install the retaining ring. A small screwdriver works good to push the retaining ring down into the groove. And that's how easy it is to replace the steel ball in your tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.